Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 18 years. In this quick world, most of us are looking for quick fixes for all our problems, and this includes the aging which is happening in the face. Throughout the world today, people are electing for more and more non-surgical facial procedures than surgical facelift. And among the non-surgical facelift, one of the most sought after procedure is the liquid facelift, which uses fillers to fill the area of volume loss and cause a lifting appearance to the face. So when we want to talk about aging, we have to understand that the aging of the skin is not just skin deep. It occurs across all the layers of the face, the skin, the fat which is there underneath it, the muscular area, the fascia, as well as the bone. And when we start aging, we lose a lot of fat in different compartments of the face, which make us look very tired, which make us look like we lost volume in the under eye area or in the nasolabial area or in the marionette area, which adds the age to the skin. Traditionally, this used to be addressed by the repositioning of the face using plastic surgery or a facelift, which is a more expensive and it's a more aggressive kind of surgery. And today people are electing for something called a liquid facelift, where a filler or a hyaluronic acid gel is being injected in the areas of the volume loss to correct the areas of the volume loss and reposition the tissues in the correct place so that you are getting a more lifted, relaxed facelift or a liquid facelift. The treatment is very simple and straightforward. It is like a lunchtime procedure. During the primary consultation, the doctor will discuss with you what are your problem areas and which would you like to get addressed. And then after you make a treatment plan, which may involve a few number of sessions because you would not want to do everything on the first day. Then the treatment can be done within about 1 hour, where the anesthetic numbing cream is applied over the treatment area which the treatment is planned. And then the hyaluronic acid gel fillers are injected through blunt cannulas into the treatment area. The treatment is very comfortable because these hyaluronic acid gels have premixed xylocaine or anesthetic inside them. So the injection process itself is very, very comfortable and not painful. And you can straight go back to work without people noticing any much problem. Most commonly, these treatments are being done by most of the young people who are about to get married, who want to improve their appearance, people who are in their early 30s who started noticing the early signs of aging by noticing the hollowness in the eyes and they're complaining of dark circles. And of course, they're being sought after by all the people who are taking selfies, who have started noticing the sign of aging in their face. To know more about liquid facelift, speak to your dermatologist today.